We are not your father's job shop. It is not to disrespect the job shop. It is to say that the current market deserves and wants more. We have the formula, we have the success. It's 18 years running, and we are just beginning. My name is Mike TUMMILLO. I am VP of Sales and Marketing and also a co-founder of the organization. Prismier was founded in 2004 with myself and my co-founding partner, Dave Lowe. We have been in business now for over 18 years. Prismier is a digitally driven custom parts manufacturer of both plastic and metal parts. So we work within prototype and production. We do a variety of things. We do precision sheet metal fabrication, metal stamping, die cast, injection molding, CNC machining, and assembly of those products.
My name's Dave Lowe. I'm the Vice President of Operations. I'm one of the founders of Prismier. We always look at the differentiators of our company, and we believe that the 4 differentiators, that some of our competition may have some of them, but not all of them. And this is what makes Prismier unique. With speed is, everybody wants it today. I call it the Amazon effect. Everybody wants instant gratification. But other things that we bring to the table is relationships. We like to build relationships with our customers. The knowledge piece is also very, very big here at Prismier. There's many times our customers really need that knowledge piece. They need that help with make that part so it can be manufacturable, so it can assemble. Sometimes even just what processes to use. Should that part really be stamped, or maybe it should be machined or injection molded? So we believe that is also just a huge, huge up for Prismier.
So my name is Philip Miller. I'm the Senior Director of Quality at Prismier, and my job is to manage both the quality systems that we have here and also manage the assembly output, shipping output, and all of the quality documentation that we do. We look at quality down to a single part, or what we call an SPC, or Statistical Process Control, down to a single part. So if we're running 100 pieces, we'll sample out of those 100 pieces, 20 of them, to make sure that at each state that we transform the parts, that we are checking to make sure that it meets the customer's expectations.
My name is Dave TUMMILLO. I'm the Senior Project Manager of Customer Experience. I am in charge of running the Customer Experience team. One of the big things that we're focusing on now is updating processes and putting everything together that we've been doing for so long and starting to support all of the growth that Prismier is going through. Trying to make sure that our team can support all of the exponential growth that we're experiencing now. Simple communication things that everybody has come to expect in where this world has taken us, and the technology and the quick turn and the fast-paced environment, bringing that into manufacturing and utilizing that to keep the customers on the same page of, they gave us an order, we expect a certain service, and really showing them that service and that level of communication.